Beauty. People love their eggs. In the United States, egg production totaled a whopping 7.67 billion in just 1 month, according to the American Egg Board. Eggs are a nutrient-dense food, containing varying amounts of 13 essential vitamins and minerals, all for only 70 calories. Here are the top 5 ways to use eggs for beauty purposes. Number 1. Encourages hair growth. Whether you suffer from hair loss or thinning hair, egg hair masks are very beneficial. Beat 2 egg yolks. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil unmixed thoroughly. Apply the mixture all over your scalp. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Wash it out with cold water. Then shampoo your hair. Number 2. Tighten saggy skin. Loose and saggy skin can make you look older than your age, whereas firm skin adds an extra spark to your beauty. To keep your skin firm and tight, use egg whites. Being a natural astringent, they help keep your skin firm. Whisk the whites from 1 or 2 eggs until you get a foamy texture. Apply it on your face, neck and any other saggy areas. Leave it on for about 20 minutes. Then rinse it off with cool water. Do it once a week. Number 3. Clears up acne. Acne is a common skin condition that usually affects teenagers and young adults. It occurs when the sebaceous glands of the skin secrete excess sebum, and the skin turns oily. To cure acne, egg whites are very beneficial. Simply whisk the whites from 1 egg and spread it on your face. Cover the egg mask with tissue. Leave it on for about 20 minutes. Gently remove the tissue and wash your face with lukewarm water. Apply a light moisturizer. Repeat once or twice a week. Number 4. Tames frizzy hair. It is very difficult to manage frizzy hair, but now with eggs, you can easily tame the frizzies. Being rich in fats and protein, egg yolk works as a natural conditioner for your hair. Whisk 1 or 2 eggs thoroughly. The quantity of eggs depends upon the length of your hair. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons of olive oil and mix well. Apply it thoroughly on your hair and scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse it out and wash your hair thoroughly. Use a rich, nourishing shampoo and conditioner. Do it once a week. Number 5. Reduces under-eye puffiness. You can use egg whites for treating under-eye bags or puffiness. Being a natural astringent, egg whites help firm up and lift the skin, which helps take away the puffiness under the eyes to a great extent. Slightly whip the whites from 1 egg. Apply a thin coating of it under the eye area. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Rinse it off with plain water. Do this not more than once daily.